Guys, if you're looking for ways on how you could play and earn as well, you gotta go ahead and check this out. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we have 3 different websites that we will be checking out in this video, and I will put all those in the description of the video, starting with Magicraft. So Magicraft, guys, is a very engaging fantasy PvP MOBA that is offering players a variety of dynamic modes such as the free-for-all and the Battle Royale. So in this action-packed game, players have the ability to customize their characters and join game rooms, fostering a very competitive and social environment. So guys, the team voice chat enhances the communication and coordination during intense gameplay. And guys, mind you, not all of the play to earn games nowadays have that. So the team voice chat that is built in game, Magicraft has that because they already anticipated that, you know, it's going to be intense and the players would need to coordinate closely together. That way, they would be able to pull up those strategies that they are trying to make. And guys, the Web3 version of Magicraft introduces the Slay to Earn mode, which rewards the players with the MCRT utility token for their in-game achievements. Now, this innovative feature also merges gaming with blockchain technology, and it's offering players the chance to earn rewards while enjoying the game. So guys, I would strongly recommend go ahead and check this out. Look at this. I mean, just looking at this preview alone, it's going to be fun. I mean, I've seen different MOBA games before, but in my honest opinion, I have never seen something that looks good like this one. Look at that. This is going to be fun. Go ahead and check them out, guys. The link to this will be in the description of the video. As always, we move on to the next on our list, which is Worlds of Dypians. Now guys, this one on the other hand is an online action adventure game that blends traditional fantasy elements with the blockchain technology. So players can explore an expansive open world and undertake quests as well and engage in battles. So the game is actually seamlessly integrating NFTs, allowing players to use their digital collections within the game. And that is one reason why I love you guys to check this one out, because they have NFTs and they have utilities to that. Unlike any other NFTs out there that are just still images and you just buy them and collect them and just store them anywhere, and you can't even use it for anything for you to gain something like rewards or anything like that. But for this, or for World of Dypians, guys, you would be able to utilize your NFTs and use it in-game, okay? Which adds unique layer of ownership and utility to your assets. And guys, additionally, the game features AI-powered NPCs, which also contributes to a rich and immersive experience, which makes each journey and encounter feel unique. And of course, just like what we always tell you, make sure to do your own research and check out their website. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. You have the token, the staking, okay? You know for a fact that I love to use that feature whenever it's available because, again, if you do not have any plans of exchanging or swapping that tokens anytime soon, might as well go ahead and stake it. That way you could earn rewards out of those, okay? So that is World of Dypians, guys. Again, it will be in the description of the video. Next one in our list is the Live to App. This is, guys, a move to earn mobile application that motivates users to be active by turning everyday activities into rewarding experience. And this is something that I would definitely use because I do walks and jogs every day. So this is going to be, you know, rewarding for me because, again, you know, you do your exercise and you get something and you earn tokens out of that. So by walking, exploring new routes, scanning QR codes, and adding locations, users could actually earn coins that can be redeemed for real world rewards or used in their auctions. So the Live to App, guys, encourages social interactions and a healthy lifestyle while offering tangible rewards, which makes it a fun and innovative way to stay active and engaged in the community. So this is going to be very useful, especially for the ones that are, you know, health conscious, because, you know, you just download the app, put it in your phones, and then utilize it when you do your exercises. You gain points, you gain tokens out of those. So go ahead and check this one out as well, guys. Make sure to do your own research on all of the 3 play to earn games that I featured today. All of the links will be in the description of the video. I hope that you would be able to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.